The Amazon rainforest is often called the lungs of our planet. It produces oxygen and helps keep Earth alive. This forest generates about 20% of the world's oxygen and stores massive amounts of carbon, keeping our climate in balance. It is home to millions of species, plants, animals, and insects, many found nowhere else on Earth. Indigenous communities have lived here for thousands of years, protecting and learning from the forest. But today, the Amazon is under threat from deforestation, fires, and climate change. Protecting the Amazon means protecting ourselves. Its future is our future. The heart of Earth must keep beating.